Good day, dear students. My name is Virginia Busso. My last name is Vusso, and I will be the teacher in charge of this subject, English 2. Welcome, everyone. We are here to start learning and to start completing the objectives of this subject. First of all, I would like to talk about the conditions that you need to consider when we take an online course. As the time being, we are now on a lockdown, taking a quarantine because of the coronavirus, and it will take within the next 2 weeks. Our classes will start on April 6th, so we will have classes the same time of the planned schedule that you might have. This is an introductory video that will talk about the objectives and the important points that you need to consider when you take this course. Taking online courses is not that difficult. We need to be organized and to cover some of the objectives, okay? I will share with you some of the rules of the class that are important to consider. First of all, we need to be respectful and to devote most of our time to accomplish with a task considered important for the course. Okay? Then it's important that you take enough rest, that you sleep well, that you eat healthy food, and you drink water, and be safe. No? Those conditions are going to help you to be in a good physical condition to take online classes. Okay? Once the quarantine is over, we will go back to the classrooms again. So this is a temporary situation, and I hope that you take all the necessary steps to complete this. Okay? I will share a written page of the rules of the class for you to consider. I need you to have your complete attention on this, and I need that you engage in working hard from the very beginning, because it's important that we need to cover some of the topics that are important for the objectives of this topic. Okay? Then I would like to talk about the book. No? Here is the book. I introduced you the book. Maybe some of you know them. Okay, know it. It's Jetstream. It's the Beginner V. No? And maybe you cannot get it by now. The physical one, as I have it. Later on, I will share with you the link so that you can download the PDF or have it electronically so that we can start working. Okay? As you can see, this book covers 6 topics. Okay? It starts from Unit 7. Okay? And it's about Unit 7. We are talking about a time and a place. Then we go with Unit 8. That is talking about my past. Unit 9, warm weather and clothes. Unit 10, that is make one change. Unit 11, away on vacation. Unit 12, finally, it's a complete review of the topics considered on this book and the last one that some of you maybe have gone with the course. Okay. Regarding Unit 7, that is a unit that we're going to work this week and the next 2 weeks, the contents of these units are years, okay, time expressions, places, entertainment and events, and letters and numbers. Regarding the grammar point, we're going to work with the past tense of the verb to be. Also the introduction of there was and there were when you describe facts or places. Okay? That is in general condition what we are going to have as a content. I would also like to tell you about the general objectives of this topic. Okay? English nowadays is a must. Okay? So the university is giving you the opportunity to take this English course for free in your curricula. Okay? So nowadays you need English for work, no? To improve your knowledge, to know other places, to understand or to interact with other people, okay? And it's important that you take seriously this, okay? The general objectives of the topic are, at the end of this this course, the students understand and produce information describing past and future events related to clothing, weather, food, and leisure moments. And also in the grammar reference, we need to know about the correct usage of WH questions and yes-no questions. Okay, we will develop and extend all these topics, and at the end of this unit, you will be able to talk about this. Okay, then I would like to talk also about the way that we are going to grade you. Okay, you have this, all this is on the syllabus that you will have it on your platform, but I would like to take some time to explain this. Okay, we have here 100%, that is how we grade our students. Okay, it is formed by 4 facts. Okay, práctica calificada 1, práctica calificada 2, okay, participación en clase, and finally the project. Okay. The first part is test 1, or práctica calificada 1, that will be 10% of the grade. Then it is taken around something about the 6 or 7 week, more or less. Okay. The next point is 10% of the práctica calificada 2, or test 2, that is around almost nearly the end. Okay. Then we have 50%, that it's the continuous student evaluation in class. That means your attendance, completing a task, doing your homework, okay, active participating in class, okay. And finally we got the final project, that is the final work that you will have to introduce, and it's about 30%. Okay, that means 10 plus 10 plus 50 and plus 30, it makes 100%. Okay, please take this clear in mind so that you can know from the very beginning how you're going to be graded. And don't wait till the last moment. Okay, if you wait till the last moment, you can be in serious problems to pass. Okay, something else that I would like to talk about is your participation in class. No? It's very important. I will open a photo and a chat so that you will be able to ask questions, refresh some knowledge, provide some additional information of something that is not very clear, something that you would like to know, etc. Okay, all these facts are going to be considered, and by the time that you have a doubt or something is not clear, please, use it wisely. Okay, that is the point. Very important. I need your complete participation, and time really runs, and we have to be aware about that. No? We do not have to wait till the last moment to react. Well, when we are almost near the end, we are rushing and thinking, and so it's not that way. I will also provide on the platform a file. No, you will have a file there that is a portfolio, that you will have some extra material that I need that you work on. Okay, it's very important that you work, that you write down, and that you present to me, that it's also having part of the grading, part of the class participation. Class participation, it means you are evaluated week by week, and always you have to do something about that. We will also have a platform, the Helpling platform. Maybe some of you know them. It's a very interactive platform where you will have the opportunity to practice and to provide some extra explanation or further practice of the structures that we are working on class. Okay, I will tell you, I will show you what are you going to work each week, and that has also a weight on the grading results. So be aware about that, because on one side it's going to help you to provide extra and further practice on what you do, and then you are going to raise the percentage or the grade that you will get at the end. Okay, again, don't wait till the end, please. Okay, something else that I would like to tell you, and something that I would like to comment, always try to place a shark in your tank, a shark in your pond. What is that? This is something like a learning from Japanese culture. You know, Japanese people love a lot to eat fresh fish. So the fishermen went out worldwide to fish on all the oceans and placed the fish on some tanks or ponds that they have in their ships. Okay? So by the time that they arrive to their harbor, to the port, the fish is not fresh enough for them because Japanese people love fresh fish. Okay? Why? Because the fish is not moving, it's just resting and something like that. Somebody suggested to place small sharks, in the ponds or in the tanks, so the sharks will start trying to eat the fish, and the fish will start moving around. By the time that they move, they will keep their food, their meat fresh. And that is what Japanese people want. And you will tell me, Miss, I don't understand the relationship. Why are you telling us that? It's very simple. I want you to move from your comfort zone. Don't wait calmly till things happen. I want you to be the characters of your acting, of your performance. So it is important that always you take one step ahead, always trying to look, what can you do? How can you improve? How can you do this again in a better way? How can you change things? And that is the objective, is to make you remind, to make you overcome difficulties. Life is not easy. Life is full of difficulties, but we have the ability to overcome them. Okay? And saying this, I would like to welcome you again. And this is an introductory video that I will upload that you will see previous to first class so that you can know what we are talking about. If you have any questions, if you have any doubts, please let me know. Do not hesitate to contact me whether you need some assistance. Saying this, I want to thank you for your time and attention and see you soon. Have a nice time. One more thing. Stay at home, please. Keep safe. Don't go away. Stay at home, please. Stay at home. Thank you and see you soon.